Hi everyone. So in the previous video, I showed you how to view and manage your business information from setup. In this video, I will be showing you how to view and manage your outlets and their preferences also from setup. So let's get to it. I go into setup. We've looked at my account. We've looked at business information. So here we'll be looking at outlets and registers, where we view and edit information about our outlets. So the minute we click on that, we view a summary card of each of the outlets that we have under that business. And to start with, the first outlets, which is like the stores that that business has. So the number of stores or shops that are owned by the business that we previously looked at in the previous video, to be fair. Sweet. So this first one is a storefront, and we have 2 users assigned into this outlet, and we have no registers. The next one is a warehouse, PharmIQ warehouse, where we have just 1 user assigned to this store. The next store is PharmIQ storefront 2, and it's also a storefront, and we have 1 user assigned to this store. Great. On here, you can add a new store. If your business opens up a new store, this would be where to add it. But even more importantly, let's go into view more information about the store that we're currently logged into, which we can view from here. So if I click on this card, it should show me a lot more information about this store, like the name, the day it was launched, the address, the phone number, the ID. We can also view any registers. So registers are point of sale systems that the stores have. So if we don't have any, we can add them. If we have any, we can add them in a case that, now that it's showing no registers added to this outlet, we can add some. We can also view and manage our receipt template. So what we want our receipt to look like, the logo, the footer text, but also we can edit some of the information where if the name changes or we have a new phone number, we can also edit that on here. And also we have preferences, which are a few settings that are unique to this, that would be unique to this outlet itself. So things like the default currency, the time zone, the VAT rate, and then the different product categories that you have, the markup for each category, if you want VAT to be applicable to products in this specified category, and also the loyalty weight that you want to assign to products in a category that you would have specified. Great. So if I go on, I can see sales velocity settings. I can see product notification settings, settings for ordering, settings for the sales screen, where you can look at how many days you want to hold sales for, or what payments type you want to support when selling to customers. Given that you make any changes, you want to go all the way to the top to save those changes so that they reflect. And once you're done, you can go back and you review the list of preferences that you have again. So that's pretty much how we view outlets. We manage our preferences and we make edits to the outlet's information. One thing to mention is that when the store is a warehouse, ideally you do not have registers or receipt templates in this warehouse, just because a warehouse is ideally made to manage your inventory levels or distribute stock to other outlets. So you ideally do not do any sale or any selling from there. So you wouldn't need a point of sale. You wouldn't need to add any register, which are point of sale systems, or any receipt templates, considering you wouldn't be making sales from there. But they also do have their own unique set of preferences that you may need. As you noticed in the first one I showed you, the VAT rate was 7.5%, but on here it's a 0%. It's a 0% value for the VAT rate. So that's pretty much it in terms of looking at your outlets and managing any information about them. Thank you.